Hello, Namaste, good morning, Sat Sri Akal. Myself Dr. D.D. Goyal and I welcome you online digital platform of New Dawn classes. So, today we will start management for English medium students. Okay. So, our first topic of management is cattle breeds. You know about the cattle breeds because cattle breeds is most important for exam purpose because so many questions are formed from the cattle breeds and buffalo breeds, goat breeds and sheep breeds. Okay, so today we start our first management subject, veterinary management subject topics. Okay, cattle breed. Okay, before we start cattle breed, we know about how much breeds of cattle are present in India. Okay, so according to NBAGR, what is NBAGR? It is National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources. Okay, and it registered the breeds in India. Okay, so according to NBAGR, the total number of registered cattle breeds are 50. Okay, and it is the latest data which is till 15 April 2021. Okay, so this is the latest data. Okay, so according to NBAGR, the total number of breeds are registered in India is 50. Okay, and according to their uses, mainly all the cattle breeds are divided in three types. Okay, first one is milch breeds. First one is milch breed, which is mainly used for milking purpose. Okay, second one is draught purpose. Okay, second one is draught breeds, which is mainly used for draught. Okay, and third one is dual purpose, and dual purpose breeds are used for both milking and draught purpose. Okay, so there are three type of dividation for the cattle breeds. Today we start milch breeds. Okay, mainly 4 milch breeds are present in Rajasthan and other states, which are Gir, okay, Sahiwal, Tharparkar and Red Sindhi. How can we learn this all the 4 breeds? You can learn from the trick. And what is the trick? Trick is Sahigir drive Red Thar. What is Sahigir drive Red Thar? What is the Sahi? Meaning of Sahi is the royal. Okay, so Royal Gir drive Red Thar. Okay, so there is 4 breeds. First one is Sahiwal, Gir, third is Red Sindhi and 4 is Tharparkar. So this is the trick for milch breeds. Okay, there are 4 breeds which is most important for exam purpose. First one is Sahiwal, second is Gir and third one is Red Sindhi and fourth one is Tharparkar. So at the first we discuss about the Gir. Okay, this is the Gir breed. Okay, okay, so this is the Gir breed and it is also known as Kathiawadi. Why it is known as Kathiawadi? Because it is mostly present in Kathiawad area of Gujarat. Okay, so there is first question, what is the another name of Gir? This is the Kathiawadi. Again it is Sorathi and Deccan. Okay, this is not more important, but Kathiawadi is most important. Okay, so Gir cattle is also called Kathiawadi. Second thing, the origin of Gir is the Gir forest. Okay, Gujarat. Okay, Gir forest are present in Gujarat, and where the distribution in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, this breed is present in Ajmer, Bhilwara, Udaipur, Chittorgarh and Junagadh. Okay, so this is the Gir breed. Now we can see the character of this breed. In Rajasthan, it is also known as Renda. Okay, it have long pendulous frontward turned ear resembling like curled up leaf. Okay, it the ear, you can see the ear. See the ear. This is the ear. Okay, leaf like ear. Okay, and turn pendulous forward turn. Okay, this ear turned forward, okay, and curled of leaf. It look like curled of leaf, okay, like this, okay. The apex are spineless, okay, but it have pendulous ear and curled of leaf, okay. So questions are found, when questions are found, in which breed curled of leaf which is turned forward are present, okay. So your answer is Gir, okay. So next is tail is long, weep like a weave ending, and black switch. What is the black switch? Black switch is the hair, okay, hair present in the end of tail are colored black, okay. So black color of hairs are present at the end of tail, which is called black switch of tail, okay. In case the color is white spot with dark chocolatey color, okay. So the color of the Gir is dark chocolatey and white spots. You can see the white spots. This is the white spots are present in dark chocolatey color, okay. So in next slide, lactation period is highest, which is 325 days, okay. The lactation period, what is the lactation period? It is the time period in which cow is milking, okay. So it is the milking period of the cattle, okay. So in all the Indian breeds and indigenous breeds, highest lactation period, again more important questions, highest lactation period of Indian breed in Gir, okay. So again it is most important, and how much? 325 days, okay. Now horn like half moon. You can see the half moon, okay, the moon this type and half moon. So this is half moon shape, okay. So again question can be formed that which breed have half moon shape horn? So Gir breed have half moon shape horn, okay. Next, protruding broad and long forehead, okay, long forehead and broad forehead, notch on apex of ears. The ears have apex, okay, this type, okay. So a spike shape, okay. Next, milk production is 1225 to 2268 kg, and the average, it is the milk range and it is the average 1746, that means 1746 kg average lactation period is for a year, okay. In a 1 year it is 1746 kg, okay, and the fat percentage is 4 to 5%, okay, 4.5%. So most important question in case of Gir breed, first one is highest lactation, okay, second half moon shape, third leaf like ears, and fourth is Kathiawadi. The another name is Kathiawadi, and origin is Gir forest, okay. So then 5 to 6 questions are found from the Gir, okay. So in case of next breed is Sahiwal, the best breed of India, best milch breed of India, okay. So first question is, which breed is best milch breed? Is Sahiwal, okay. You can see the diagram of the Sahiwal. It is also called Montgomery. Why it is called Montgomery? Because the origin of this breed is Montgomery district of Pakistan, so it is also called Montgomery. Second, it is also called Lola. So there are two questions are formed. First one is Montgomery and second one is Lola. Why it is called Lola? Because this breed have loose skin, okay. When you feel it, you find some loose skins, okay. So this breed is called Lola. Lola means loose skin, okay. So most important, this breed is also called Lola and Montgomery, okay. Third is Multani and fourth is Lambibar. So this is the another name of the Sahiwal. Now what is the origin? Origin from the Montgomery district of Pakistan. You can see the diagram. Now distribution in Rajasthan, there is Sri Ganganagar and Hanumangarh, which is in Punjab border, okay. Now voluminous dewlap, most important, the dewlap. This is the dewlap, okay, the dewlap and loose skin. So this breed is also called Lola. Okay, the dewlap are present in this breed are voluminous. Voluminous means you can see this, the dewlap is voluminous. Okay, more volume. Okay, now in this case loose skin, so it is called Lola. So it is most important for you and for your examination purpose. Okay, so which breed are called Lola? Sahiwal breeds are called Lola. Okay, now excellent dairy breed of India. Again, it is most important question. This breed is excellent breed of India, excellent milch breed of the India. Okay, weep shape long tail which touches on plain. Again, this is most important question. Which breed have very long tail which touch the plain? Okay, so you can see the tail of this breed which touch the plane of. Okay, no any other breeds have this type of tail. So this question can be formed in your exam, and this is most important question. Okay, so in next case, massive hump. It have hump, massive hump. Okay, massive and strong hump. Okay, so this breed have massive hump. Okay, in next case, now pendulous navel flap. Navel flaps are present in this. Okay, this is the navel flap, and the pendulous navel flaps are present in female. Okay, and loose horn. You can see the horn very small and very loose horn. Okay, in next case, white ring shape structures around the eye. Okay, you can see white ring. Okay, you can see white ring around the eyes. Color dark red or Ron Royal color, which is red color. Okay, milk production is average milk production 2150, highest milk in all the milch breeds. Okay, Indian milch breeds. Okay, but in case of all the exotic and Indian, highest milk producing cattle is HF, Holstein Friesian, but this breed have low fat percentage. Okay, so again this breed are important, and important questions are: first one is Montgomery, second one is Lola because loose skin, Montgomery because origin from the Montgomery, third is dewlap, voluminous dewlap are present and loose skin, so it is called Lola. Okay, excellent dairy breed of the India. Again, this is the end, weep shape long tail which touches the plain. Okay, so it is again most important question. So there are and this is navel flaps are present which is pendulous and strong. Okay, white ring shape structures around the eyes. So these are the questions can be formed from this breed. Okay, so there are 4 to 5 questions from every breed. Okay, now red Sindhi. Okay, you know about the tricks, you remember about the tricks, and what is the tricks? Shahi Gir drive red Thar. Okay, you know about the Thar. Thar is the 4-wheeler. Okay, so the Shahi Gir drive red Thar. Okay, so third breed is red Sindhi. It is also known Mahi, and it is also known red Karachi, and it is present in Karachi area of Pakistan. So it is important, mostly breeds are from Pakistan, and this breed are Karachi area of Pakistan. Okay, distribution of this breed is Karnal, Nainital and large farmhouses. Okay, so in next case, important thing, compact frame with round drooping quarter. Round drooping quarter, you can see the quarter, this is round shaped, and drooping means hanging. Okay, so hanging quarter and round shaped. Okay, and compact. Next is well proportionate body, thick emerging horns. Okay, thick emerging horn laterally and ending in blunt points. Okay, so pointed horns are present in this breed. Okay, so body color is red. You can see 2 milch breed have red color. First one is Sahiwal and second one is red Sindhi. Okay, this question can be asked from you. Okay, white stripes are sometimes present on dewlap and forehead. On the dewlap and on the forehead, white strips can be present. Okay, not in every breed, but in some breed white strips are present. Okay, So in next case they have well developed capacious udder. This is the most special feature of this breed. This breed have capacious udder. Okay, you can see the capacious udder. Okay, you can see the capacious udder because it have capacious udder, voluminous udder. Okay, compact and voluminous udder. Okay, and this is the special and unique feature of this breed. Okay, next is intellectual facial expression. Okay, by the facial expression it look like it is very intelligent. Okay, so it have facial expression is intellectual. Okay, so in next case milk production is 783 to 2268. It is the range, but the average is 1474 kg per year or per calving. Okay, so next is Tharparkar. Okay, fourth and last milk breed of the cattle. Okay, so what is the Tharparkar? Another name of Tharparkar is Malani. Gudamalani. Gudamalani is the place which is present in Badmer district of Rajasthan. Okay, Malani, Gudamalani, White Sindhi. Red Sindhi is another breed, but Tharparkar is also called White Sindhi. Why it is White Sindhi? Because the color of this breed is white. Okay, so this breed is called White Sindhi, this breed is called Brown Sindhi, and Kachhi and Thari. So this is the another name of this breeds. Okay, origin of this breed is Tharparkar district of Pakistan. Okay, so last all the three breeds of cattle are origin from the Pakistan. Okay, so origin of this species is Tharparkar district of Pakistan. So this breed is called Tharparkar. In Rajasthan, this breed is present in Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Badmer. Okay, in next case is the highest antibody ability found in this cow. That means disease resistance capacity. If immunity is high, then the power of fighting with the disease is high. So this breed have high disease resistance capacity. Okay, so this is most important point for this. It have high immunity and high disease resistance capacity. Okay, the ability to change in the color of the skin is found. Okay, so most important, because you know about this. This breed have white, another name White Sindhi and Brown Sindhi. Okay, so this breed have the ability change in color. Okay, so most important feature of this breed, it have the ability to change in color of the skin. Okay, color is white or gray. Okay, and sequential white to gray. Okay, so it is initial color is white and it can be changed in gray because this breed have special ability to change in color. Okay, so now the question can be formed from this: which breed have the ability to change in color of skin? Answer is simple and direct answer is Tharparkar. Okay, again head is medium, broad frontal and bulges are found. There is a huge hump. You can see the hump. The hump is huge. Okay, in next cases navel flaps are developed. This is the navel flap and navel flaps are developed. Dewlap are also developed. Dewlap is this type, this side. This is the dewlap and dewlap are also developed. Its udder are 3 to 4 inches long. Okay, see the difference of the red Sindhi and white Sindhi, means Tharparkar. Red Sindhi have capacious udder, but this breed have not more capacious udder, but it have long teats. Okay, so it have 3 to 4 inches long teats. Okay, so last point of this breed is average milk production 1474. Okay, so the lot of questions are formed from the milch breed of the cattle, and the most important 4 breeds are here, and I hope you enjoy this because in this lecture you can see the theory with diagram. Okay, so I think this is more interacting and more interesting. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Okay, like, comment and subscribe this channel. ओके, थैंक यू, जय हिंद।